You've probably heard people say that YouTube automation takes forever. Researching ideas, writing scripts, editing videos, but in 2025, that's just not true anymore. Why? Because AI has completely changed the game. Today, I am going to show you 5 AI tools that make YouTube automation up to 10x faster and easier. I'm talking about the exact tools creators use to script, edit, and publish videos without burning out. Stick around until the end, because tool number 5 is my personal secret weapon for faceless channels. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, OpenAI. You knew this one was coming, but here's the twist. Most people use ChatGPT wrong. Instead of asking it for a generic script, you feed it your audience's exact pain points. Example, write a 7-minute YouTube script for beginners about the easiest side hustles in 2025, using friendly, simple language. Boom, instant draft in 30 seconds. You still tweak it, but it cuts hours off your scripting time. Tool number 2, Pictory. If you hate editing, you're going to love this. Pictory takes your script, finds matching stock clips, and builds your video automatically. You can add text, overlays, music, transitions, all without touching a traditional editor. Perfect for faceless automation channels because it handles visual storytelling for you. Tool number 3, Labs. Forget robotic AI voices. This is where voiceovers actually sound real. You can choose from dozens of natural voices, tweak tone, pacing, and even accent. Or, clone your own voice so it sounds like you, even if you never record a word. High-quality audio is what makes your videos feel premium, and that's what keeps people watching. Tool number 4, Canva. You probably know Canva for thumbnails, but in 2025, it's way more powerful. You can now create animated intros, lower third titles, even short animated clips. Drag and drop, easy, no design degree needed. Pro tip, create thumbnail templates so every video has consistent branding without spending hours redesigning. Tool number 5, TubeBuddy. This is the secret weapon. TubeBuddy doesn't just help you with SEO. It tells you exactly which keywords to target, what titles will pull clicks, and even suggests thumbnail A/B testing. It's like having a YouTube strategist in your back pocket. Without it, you're just guessing what the algorithm wants. The best part, you can stack these tools together. Script in ChatGPT, build visuals in Pictory, add realistic voiceovers from Labs, design your thumbnail in Canva, optimize with TubeBuddy. That's full YouTube automation, without touching a camera, and without working 10 hours a day. So if you've been overthinking YouTube automation, stop, get the right tools, set up your system, and let AI do the heavy lifting.